Walmart app not working. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, make sure that your Walmart application is updated. Head over to your Play Store first, and here search for Walmart. Tap onto your application. If you see update instead of open, then you have to tap onto it and update your app. Once done, head over to your settings. Here under your settings page, scroll below until you find the option of apps and search for Walmart. Then come on to storage and clear the data. Make sure that you remember your username and your password for your Walmart, then tap on delete. Now come back and see if this fixes your problem. If it's still not working for you, then try uninstalling this application and reinstall it again from your Play Store or your App Store and get logged into your account, and that will definitely fix it. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.